So until Chelsea go and sign that striker, there I will believe that Chelsea really want to sign a striker. But for now, since the season started, this rumors is going on. Chelsea want to sign this. Chelsea want to sign a striker. Chelsea want to sign who and who. Until Chelsea bring that experienced striker, for me, I will not say, okay. Until I see, here we go. Until I see official, Chelsea completed the signing of Victor Osimhen. Official, Chelsea completed the signing of Victor Gyökeres. Official, Chelsea completed the signing of Alexander Isak. There I will be. Even if I see the official, until that striker name appear on Chelsea squad list, I'll go to Chelsea official website or Chelsea official app to see if Osimhen, Isak, Victor Gyökeres names is in there. There I will believe, because this our owners, I don't trust them. For me, I don't see. You see this our owners. Forget about me trusting them. Do you want me? I can't trust them. These our owners, guys. They are like Tama ladies. You can't trust them. Like, trying to understand them is hard. They can tell you this, the next day they'll go and do this. You can remember in the summer, when the summer started, the transfer window opened. They pretend as if they were to sign Osimhen. Everybody was talking about Osimhen. Boom, they went and signed Kalema. Everybody was talking about Osimhen. Boom, they went and signed McGill. Everybody was talking about Osimhen. Boom, they nearly signed Omorodio. So these are our honest. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, what is happening in Chelsea camp? What is happening to our dear Chelsea? Guys, the god of football is not helping Chelsea at all, guys, at all. Reece James is injured again. Guys, James, our captain, is injured again. Reece James and Christopher Nkunku are absent from training today, guys. Yes, the last game against Newcastle, Nkunku wasn't part. Information from Maresca that he was injured. And now, training ahead of Friday, our game against Manchester United, Reece James didn't appear today in training. Reece James is injured again, guys. What is wrong, or what is happening? This is the reason why Enzo Maresca keep on benching him, trying to protect him. But unfortunately, even on his bed, Reece James can be injured. Because how many minutes he played recently? How many games James played recently? Now he is injured again, guys. James missed training today. Chelsea preparation to Friday game, Manchester United, James is not in training. That means he is injured. Information or reliable sources said he is injured. Plus Christopher Nkunku. Guys, what is happening, as I said, football god is not helping Chelsea. Reece James injury prone. Lavia injury prone. Wesley Fafana injury prone. And we'll come to Wesley Fafana, guys. So, guys, should Chelsea get a replacement for Reece James? Because some fans are saying that if he doesn't get better, Chelsea should sell him. And some of us previously we believe that maybe Gusto can do that replacement, or Gusto can be that replacement for Reece James. But this season, Gusto, he didn't perform. I won't lie. The way Gusto performed this season, he can be a replacement for Reece James. I'm telling you. So, guys, should Chelsea get a replacement for Reece James, or should Chelsea even sell him? Because when you look at the transfer market nowadays, now signing players are very, very difficult. Before you can sign, you have to sell. Yes, because of the PSR rule, you have to sell, yes, to use the money and then go and sign a new player, or sell to open a space and then bring in a new player. So, guys, this Reece James injury, it is now becoming unbecoming. It is reoccurring every day, every season. 3 months, 4 months, injured again. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Reece James' injury issue, his injury record. Some are saying that Chelsea should sell him. Some are saying that Chelsea should go for a replacement. Yes, what is your opinion, your thought on this? Yes, and if Chelsea will get a replacement, when you look at the transfer market nowadays, who can come and replace James well? Looking at, yes, the right back position, I think Frimpong is there. So many right backs are there. Guys, let me hear from you, your opinion, your thought. Who should Chelsea sign to come and replace him? Yes. And let's come to Wesley Fafana. Another issue. Yes. Now, information from Chelsea camp also said that Because of Fofana injury records, Chelsea may consider selling him. That Fofana is Chelsea and Enzo Maresca favorite, but the injury records is now too much on him, and he is on higher wages. So if any reasonable fee come, Chelsea may sell him. Wesley Fafana, another injury prone. And in fact, when you look at Wesley Fafana own, guys, we sign him that way. We sign him that way. And for me, I will blame those who started. That was under the old ownership, not this new ownership. Old ownership, Chelsea signed Wesley Fafana. So it isn't that Chelsea he came and that injury something started. Like Reece James from our academy and that injury, yes. For Fofana, Chelsea signed him that way. So the sporting directors or those who was in charge of the signing, I'm blaming them. Why should we go and sign injury-prone player? The same as Lavia. Yes, the same as Lavia, guys. What is wrong? And surprisingly, life is not fair, guys. All these injury-prone players are vital to us. They are the most important players to us. And those who are clueless, not doing it well for us, they are like robots. Yes, they hardly get injured. Sanchez and co, Jackson and co, Badiashile and co, Disasi and co. I don't know why. Guys, life is not fair. Our most important players are getting injured. Those who can do it or those who are not doing it for us, they are staying strong, fit. Yes, all our players, they must stay injury free. I'm telling you. But what I mean is that like our most important players are getting injured. Look at Lavia. He just returned some 2-3 games. Look at the display. Look at the performance he gave us. And now we don't know what will happen next, because last season the same thing. He will return, play some few games, go back. Yes, I don't know. Wesley Fafana the same thing. Reece James the same thing. All these our injury-prone players, when they are playing, they give difference. They make difference. They give performance, quality performance, good performance. Guys, life is not fair. Life is not fair. So we are wishing them all the best. As we are speaking now, Lavia is back for Fofana there till the season end, and Reece James injured recently. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you about Chelsea selling Wesley Fafana. Should Chelsea sell him, or should Chelsea still give him a chance, a time to see next season? Because last season he went off the whole of last season. This season near almost the same thing or nearly the same thing. Yes, the whole of this season till this season and he will return in the summer. So guys, let me hear from you. And before we move on to the next topic, please guys don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And yesterday guys, we gave you a podcast, another podcast about Chelsea making top 4. Yes, looking at our remaining games. Yes, Chelsea Nottingham Forest and Chelsea Manchester United on Friday. Yes, we deliberate on that with my Chelsea brother. Yes, another Chelsea fan. Yes, so please, that video is here. Click to enjoy them, or after this video I will leave it there, so please you go and watch them. Yes, that video will talk, yes, a lot of things there about Chelsea beating Manchester United, about Chelsea beating Nottingham Forest. Yes, and I know you like that video, so please click to enjoy them. Yes, and let's come to another center back Chelsea to sign from Bournemouth, guys. Huijsen. Chelsea interested to sign him. And as we are speaking now, guys, Real Madrid also want to sign a defender. Madrid want to sign a center back. And Huijsen is on their list. Yes, information said that Xabi Alonso said, their new boss said, he want a center back. He want a defender. And Huijsen is on their list. Chelsea also interested to sign him. Liverpool also interested to sign him, and Arsenal. And Huijsen had 50 million release clause. So when you look at these Premier League teams, for them, information said that they are ready to trigger or pay the 50 million release clause. And as we all knew that modern football, before you can sign a player, the personal terms is vital important. Yes, you can have the money. If the player don't want to come to your team, it's useless. Yes, you paying the fee is useless. So modern football, personal terms are very, very important. Yes, more than even the fee or going to talk to the club. You have to go to the player camp, try to convince him, show your project to the player. Yes, trying to bring the player to your team. Yes, So now information said that it looked like Madrid is doing that, talking to Huijsen camp, trying to convince him to join Madrid. And Chelsea is also doing that. And for Chelsea, as I said, Chelsea is ready to pay the 50 million, but just that the personal terms is an issue for now. So Chelsea, Real Madrid, Arsenal, all these teams and Liverpool, they are all trying to convince him. Yes, trying to show their project to Huijsen, yes, in order to bring him to what? Our various clubs or to Chelsea Football Club. And as I said, it looks like Real Madrid is the favorite. And Real Madrid, when Real Madrid want a player, it's hardly that player say no. But sometimes it's about your future. You going to Real Madrid to be on the bench, I don't think it will be good. Yes, if you see better options somewhere as a player, maybe example, Dean Huijsen coming to Chelsea to be starting, and Dean Huijsen going to Real Madrid to be on the bench, I think he will go to Chelsea or he will come to Chelsea to be starting. Yes, he is a young player. As a young player, you want to grow, you want to develop, and you need playing time for that. So now the personal terms, yes, they are dealing with Real Madrid, Liverpool, and Chelsea. And it seems Chelsea may miss on signing him because, as I said, Real Madrid, when they want a player, it is hardly, and it is very, very hard that players say no to Madrid. So guys, that is the information. Real Madrid, Liverpool, Arsenal, yes, and Chelsea interested to sign Dean Huijsen. Yes, and he had a 50 million release clause. Yes, guys, let me hear from you about this. Yes, centre back. Do you think we need him? Do you think he can come and be the solution to our defensive problem? Do you think he can be a good partner to Chalobah, Liverpool, or Wesley Fafana, or Almighty Badiashile, guys? And another information said that Chelsea still have Gehi on their list. Yes, Gehi and Heto. Heto from Netherlands. Yes, they have one defender, Ajax defender, that Joro Heto or Joro Heto. Chelsea interested to sign him also. He is 19 years of age. So you see Dean Huijsen, McGahey, and Heto. Currently, these centre backs Chelsea are targeting to sign. Yes, any of them. Yes, Dean Huijsen, Heto, and Gehi. Chelsea former player, our academy player. So guys, that is the defending part. And the striking part, information said that this season, Chelsea will sign a striker. This season, Chelsea will sign a striker. But Sesko, yes, Victor Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres, Isak, and for me, this Chelsea signing a striker, enough is enough. I'm hearing it every day, every minute, every second. So until Chelsea go and sign that striker, there I will believe that Chelsea really want to sign a striker. But for now, since the season started, this rumors is going on. Chelsea want to sign this. Chelsea want to sign a striker. Chelsea want to sign who and who. Until Chelsea bring that experienced striker for me, I will not say okay. Until I see, here we go. Until I see official, Chelsea completed the signing of Victor Osimhen. Official, Chelsea completed the signing of Victor Gyökeres. Official, Chelsea completed the signing of Alexander Isak. There I will be. Even if I see the official, until that striker name appear on Chelsea squad list, I'll go to Chelsea official website or Chelsea official app to see if Osimhen, Isak, Victor Gyökeres names is in there. There I will believe, because this our owners, I don't trust them. For me, I don't see. You see this our owners. Forget about me trusting them. Do you want me? I can't trust them. These our owners, guys, they are like Tama ladies. You can't trust them. Like, trying to understand them is hard. They can tell you this, the next day they'll go and do this. You can remember in the summer, when the summer started, the transfer window opened. They pretend as if they were to sign Osimhen. Everybody was talking about Osimhen. Boom, they went and signed Kalema. Everybody was talking about Osimhen. Boom, they went and signed McGill. Everybody was talking about Osimhen. Boom, they nearly signed Omorodio. So these are honest. I think the PR is also helping them. Some journalists are also helping them. They will come out and be telling we the fans what we want. And the owners are under doing their innocent, their teenagers, yes, signings, their young players signings. As we are speaking now, Enzo Maresca himself is calling for experienced players. During his press conference, he's now saying that if Chelsea were to be having that experienced players like Liverpool, Man City and co, things will be a lot better. So now Enzo Maresca has seen it. Last season, Pochettino saw it. He complained. They let him go. They sack him. Now Enzo Maresca also started complaining. We shall see. It will come to a point that these owners will be exposed. I know some fans are still defending them that they can't spend recklessly. Chelsea signed Lukaku. At the end of the day, debt, it didn't work. Chelsea signed Chelsea. That is a big club. A big club will take risks. It happened everywhere, not only Chelsea. Real Madrid signed Hazard. It didn't work. So many players. That is, for a big club there, your name is lost. Look at Manchester United. Look at Maguire. Look at Hodgson. Look at Anthony. For big clubs, you have to be spending. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. That is why you are a big club. That is why you have all the numbers. Yes, you are making money every day. Every second can go and see how much Manchester United is making, how much Chelsea is making, how much Real Madrid is making, how much Barcelona is making. For big club, as a owner, football owner, if you are stingy or you don't want to pay higher wages, go and buy a mid-table team. Chelsea is a big club. If that wage cap, they will continue with that, they should sell Chelsea to me and go and buy Brighton. Guys, they should sell Chelsea to Richmond and go and buy Brighton so that I'll go and be signing my experienced strikers. I'm waiting. I keep on telling you I'll buy Chelsea. You guys think I'm joking. Chelsea fans, this is why I have a problem with you. You are not taking me serious. Chelsea fans, you underrate me. Anytime that I tell you that I'm going to buy Chelsea, you think I am joking or I can't buy Chelsea. Wait and see. At the end of the day, if Chelsea doesn't make top 4, if Chelsea doesn't win Conference League, if Chelsea doesn't balance the squad, you will see me on the market. On the market. So prepare. If you want to buy shares, prepare. I will maybe put some percent of the shares, yes, to the market. If you want to buy Chelsea shares, if I buy Chelsea, so start arranging your money, your capital. So guys, yes, let's be serious here, guys. In fact, big team like Chelsea, forget about wage gap, forget about losses, forget about what and what. That is why our core aim is to win trophies. Yes, to cover all those expenses. Now, look at where they are sending Chelsea to. They are selling everything to Bluco just to balance the PSRO. Imagine we were playing Champions League. I don't think they will sell the car park and the stadium and the women's team to Bluco. See, what they are doing, it will come to a time that they will not have any property to sell again to Bluco to balance the PSR. Yes, unless with the fans. Yes, because I don't know what they will sell again. Because they sell hotel, car park, they sold the women's team to Bluco. At the end of the day, next season, if team doesn't balance again, what are they going to sell? Or are they going to start selling the players? Or Chelsea fans? Yes. So guys, see, our owners, they must bring competition to this team for Chelsea to go back to Champions League. If we go back to Champions League, we are going to make money. The prize money are there. Sponsors will come. You will then price them the amount of money that you want. This Denmark that came, yes, I'm happy for them. Yes, the deal is good. I did my research on that. But I'm telling you, at the end of the day, if they don't get value, they will go. They will go. No business is operating to make loss. Every business is operating to make profit. If a sponsor come and at the end of the day, they are not getting the eyeballs, Champions League, European football, they will go. Yes, they just came to be ready. If we qualify, maybe they continue. That is why they came. It isn't that they just want to come. No. They want to get the publicity. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all what we talk about in this video. Yes, Rhys James injury, Wesley Fafana, Huijsen, Heto, McGahey, and all the center backs Chelsea want to sign, all the strikers Chelsea want to sign. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And also, as I said, we gave you a podcast yesterday about Chelsea top 4. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Another podcast may come about Chelsea, yes, on Friday game. So please turn on the notification bell. When that video comes, you'll be the first person to see it. Take care. Peace.